सीख लो इनकार करना। आग में कूद के पवित्रता साबित तुम्हें स्वीकार नहीं। राम से दूर रावण से दूर बनाओ अपनी खुद की एक पहचान। खुद की लड़ाई तुम खुद लड़ो अब। सुनो द्रौपदी उठा लो अस्त्र, कर लो अपने आप की रक्षा। कान्हा ना आएगा अब तुम्हें बचाने, वो भी खड़ा होगा उन दरिंदों के साथ जिन्होंने तुम्हारी इज्जत लूटी है। खुद की लड़ाई तुम खुद लड़ो अब। बहुत हो गई लक्ष्मी बनना, काली या फिर दुर्गा बन के उन जानवरों को तुम सबक सिखाना जो तुम्हारे साथ गलत करना चाहे। खुद की लड़ाई तुम खुद लड़ो अब। Hello everyone. So recently, whatever is happening around us, I'm totally disturbed. And what should I say? As a girl, I think most of the women who are watching, they could relate. And also, like most of the fathers or brothers of the means who have sisters or wives or like daughters in their house, they can also understand that how it feels and how it shivers the bone. So everybody knows about the 3 rape cases that happened in UP like some days back. So it feels actually very scary to be an India's daughter. So I remember one of Aranya Johar's poem where she stated that we don't want to be another of India's daughter, do we? And I can absolutely relate to that. Like, who wants to be India's daughter right now? Like, although I'm extremely proud of my country, but the condition of women in my country, I'm not at all proud of that. And means that is something that needs to be changed very, very like it's shame that how India stands like the fourth or the fifth country for which is most unsafe for women. Like this is really shameful as an Indian. If we don't wake up now, then I don't know when we can wake up. Main thing which I'm going to discuss in this video also, like one of the motive of me talking means discussing this in this video is that from where should I start? I don't know. Like this is so dreadful that one of the main thing that I want to discuss in this video is that how are we bringing up even our boys that they are not means they don't even know how to respect women and means they are not even being taught like respecting women and respecting their body and everything like it's important. It's like it's not something they should do, it's something they are supposed to do. Like I don't know how boys in India are brought up means are being brought up. So I would say something on that. I think it's time that we educate our sons, our brothers, our male friends, everybody about respecting women. I think CBSE or like every board should include chapters in the syllabus which deals with women's safety, because women's safety is something I think this needs to be taught in books right now. Like condition of women and most of and you know from where all of these things comes. I'm very sorry to say, but all of these things comes from their home. Did you ever teach your son to respect women? Like, did you ever sit with your son for like a while and teach him to respect women? No, you didn't. Or did you ever teach with your brother? Did you ever sit with your brother and taught him that how to respect women and what should men and how should he behave with women? No, you never do that. All the restrictions as Indians we put are on our girls. Like you should be doing this, you shouldn't go out at this time, you shouldn't smoke, you shouldn't drink, you shouldn't do this, you shouldn't do that. Like why don't you put some of the restrictions on the guys, on your boys? Because it's a boy who rates the girls. You say your daughter that she shouldn't go out after 8. Why don't you say your son that don't go out after 8? Because you won't do that. And even like it's not always about work. Like I have seen like if the guy sometimes I have seen that if the guy even asks, if the boy even asks his parents or anybody that after like 8 o'clock or after like 10 o'clock or like that I want to go out, the parents usually allows. Like I want to go out and that also without like any work purpose or anything. Like I want to go out. Why is this difference? Aren't you think you are promoting rape culture? I think you are. Like I think we as Indians are very much into promoting rape culture. In fact, we are the ones who are promoting this rape culture. I think we should start changing the upbringing. When you point out somebody's clothes and all, you are actually promoting rape at that time. Because instead of that, you should normalize in front of your sons that it's okay if a woman wears this, if it's okay if a woman wears this, it's okay if a woman wears everything. So this is something like you should do in front of your sons. You shouldn't be promoting rape like that. And I think like every uncles and aunties in India does promote rape at some cases. लड़की है इस टाइम पे निकली हुई है तो ऐसा तो होगा ही. अरे क्यों होगा, तुम अपने बेटे को सिखाओ ना कि वो ऐसे ना करे. So this is utter bullshit. Like I think the ways Indian parents brings up their children needs to change. Like I have seen, especially in case of, I won't say like like all the parts of India that happens, but mostly in North India, I have seen girls are taught cooking and all of those stuffs from a very early age. Like instead of teaching girls about cooking and all, teach her to punch somebody on their face, teach her to slap somebody on their face. But you are not gonna teach that. You are gonna teach her how to cook, how to do household chores. So this is all you wanna do. You should be teaching your sons to be respectful towards women. This is utter bullshit and you should be changing it. I'm extremely sorry for being rude in this video, but I think everybody deserves that. And very much disturbed with whatever is happening in our country right now and people's reaction to it most often, because I have seen still there are men in this country and women in this country, old women and old men, who thinks that this factors girls are responsible for rape. So let me tell you one thing. No, it's not girls who are responsible for rape. It's your fucking son who is responsible for that, because you didn't raise him up that way that he learns to respect women. So go and teach your sons that how to behave with the women. I have seen in most of the Indian families, they actually in a proper sense, they don't teach anything to their son. They are more like that, means they should to tell their daughters that not to do this thing, don't go out after this time, don't wear this, don't do that, don't look like this, and everything. Like they usually put all the restrictions in all the Indian families. Restrictions are being put on daughters. So I just want to say that instead of doing that for a once, like start educating your sons, start educating your brothers, start educating every male friend you have, or every like male person that you know. Because at the end of the day, the one who is to be blamed for rape is actually the boys and not the girls. Thank you. I hope you will share this video to more and more of your friends. I'm not saying it for anything like likes and all. Trust me, in this matter, I'm not saying that. But I'm saying this because this is an important issue and this needs to reach more and more people. So please do it. Please go and share it with everybody. You know, at least at least we can spread some awareness. I know that I can't spread awareness. There are some people whose mentality still won't change, but there are people whose mentality, I guess, would change with this. And we have to bring the change. So bring the change, share this video and subscribe, and obviously like.